Hi guys. So last night was a little bit of a rough one. My son woke up around 2 in the morning, maybe a little after 2, and I had logged off of work at 12 and gotten ready for bed and everything, and I just could not fall asleep. So it kind of ended up being a good thing that I couldn't fall asleep because I was already awake when he woke up. So we didn't actually end up falling back asleep until about 4:30, and then he woke up at like 7:30, which is his usual normal wake up time, and I was really hoping that he wouldn't. But anyway, um, so today's one of the days that I bring him to my mom's house in the afternoon, and then I had been intending to use that time to swim before I had to log on to work, but I haven't been able to find my swim goggles and stuff. So I came home and I was just like, you know what, like I'm gonna eat something and then I just need to lay down because I have to work until midnight again today. Like it is not going to happen if I don't have a little bit more sleep at least. So I set my alarm for about half an hour before I had to log on to work. And then when I got up, I set my alarm, I set a 15-minute timer basically, and I tackled some laundry. So what I did was separate out everybody's clothes into different piles. So like the towels, the sheets, my husband's clothes, my clothes, the baby's clothes. And in order of priority, I did the baby's clothes because I can do that and put it away. Did my clothes, could do that and put it away. Towels, could do that and put it away. And then I had to switch some stuff from the washing machine into the dryer, and that took a little bit of time, hanging up things to dry. And then I started to separate out the next load of laundry that I took out of the dryer, and ran out of time. So I wrapped it all up, and that's kind of where it ended, right? So I want to encourage you that like even though you might not be able to finish a task completely, like I couldn't fold 3 loads of laundry today, but I was able to get through 1 load of laundry and separate out some other stuff. So, you know, my husband can fold his own clothes, or if I can get to it tomorrow and he can't get to it today, then like that's fine. So there's this idea sometimes like we have to be able to complete a task in one sitting. And we've talked before about breaking it down into like those smaller goals and doing one thing a day. But this could also be really effective where you just say, hey, I have 5 minutes. I'm going to blast through the kitchen and just like take care of like the most obvious things first. And then the little minutia that like, you know, can just go under the radar for a little while, like that's fine. Or if it's a task that you don't particularly enjoy, like, I don't know, loading the dishwasher comes to mind right now. So like, if you don't like loading the dishwasher, like, hey, you know what? I'm going to give myself 5 minutes. I'm going to do what I can in these 5 minutes. And then maybe I'll do 5 more minutes later or tomorrow or whatever. So give it a shot and tell me how it goes.